You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be reviewing a headband wig from my first wig. So this is their coily one, and the length that I'm wearing in this video is a 20-inch. So this is the box that the hair came in. They also sent a silk bonnet, 2 headbands, edge brush, this small purse that has some other accessories inside. So they sent clips, rat tail comb, bobby pins, and another hair clip. So this is what the silk bonnet looks like. It has their company name on it and also a wig stand, like a plastic wig stand. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. I'll just go ahead and put on the wig and show you guys what it looks like on me. I did my edges off camera because I'm going to be allowing my hairline to show in this video. I actually did a talk through video, but guys, the background noise was just too much, so I had to like edit it and do a voiceover instead. So I'm pushing it back so my hairline can show, because it looks more natural when the hairline is showing, and also it looks more beautiful like that. So this is what the wig looks like on me without an extra headband. So I'm going to use one of the headbands that was sent along with this wig to beautify the wig. This step is actually optional. You don't necessarily have to apply extra headband. The extra headband is just to kind of change your look sometimes and just give it that extra it adds extra beauty to the headband wig. So on their website they have other textures of the headband wig. The previous one that I reviewed was a Yankee straight headband wig. I'm also going to leave a link to that video in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out, or in case you're confused on which of the textures that you want to buy. And also, ever since I got the Yankee straight one, it has been like an everyday wig for me because it's so easy to put on when I'm going out to run errands. Sometimes I wear it just to stay at home. If you know me, or if you've seen me in the city, you know that I've been wearing that wig a lot. Even on Sundays when going to the garden, I use the headband wig. It's so easy to use and it's an everyday friendly type of wig, and I believe you guys are going to love it. So that's basically it, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Every details of this headband wig will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
This one will be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine, I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends, they tell you, say I beat nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Omo Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one will be private show. Tell me low.